To edit and manage your floor plan from the point of sale, first, access the service area that has the tables. Next, tap on the pencil icon on the top right. Select a table size that matches the table you'd like to create. Enter in the table number, the table size, and a point on the screen where the table will be created. Don't worry, we'll be able to move it later if it doesn't show up exactly where we want it. And hit save. There you can see table 100 has been created right here. Now if I want to move this table, I can simply just do a long press on the table and a new window will appear. From here, I'm going to reposition the table. Now, if I wanted to make other changes for the table, for instance, I could tap on my pencil button again and then tap on the table, and now I can go back in and edit it. Maybe I want to change its size or the number. I can also change how the colors work as well. And lastly, if I decided I didn't need this table, now I could just tap delete table to remove it.